On a journey, a motorist travels the first 40 kilometer in 1.5 hours, the next 34 kilometer in 25 minutes, and the last 7 kilometer in 5 minutes. Now, here's the question. What is the average speed for the whole journey? Average speed for the whole journey. Now, first of all, we need to ask, what is the formula for average speed? If you can be able to know the formula for average speed, that means you can be able to overcome this solving on the board. Now, what is the formula for average speed? Average speed is equal to distance over time. Now, average speed is equal to distance over time. Now, if you want the question, we have different distance. We have the first distance 40 kilometer, we have the second one 34 kilometer, and we have the third one 7 kilometer. Now, what should we do? First of all, we need to sum all the distance to make it one distance, to sum all the distance. Now, we calculate the total sum of the distance. First, we calculate total sum of distance. The first is 40 kilometer plus 34 kilometer plus 7 kilometer. Altogether, you have your 81 kilometer. So you have a total of 81 kilometer. Now the next, we have time. We have different time there. The first time is 1.5 hours, the second one is 25 minutes, and the third is 5 minutes on the board. And what should we do? The same thing we did to the distance, that's what we do to the time. We sum all the time to have one time. Now, total time will give us, you have your 1.5 hour, you have your 25 minutes, the next one you have your 5 minutes. Now what should you do? If you watch, the units are different here. We have 5 minutes, 25 minutes. Here you have 1.5 hour. Now we need to convert that 1.5 hour to minutes so that the whole unit will be the same. So we can be able to add. Because like this, we cannot add. Since we have minute, and hour, we cannot add the hour to the minute. It will be wrong. So we need to change that 1.5 hour to minute. And how do we change it? Remember, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then half of 60 minutes is 30. So you have 60 minutes plus 30 minutes, giving us 90 minutes. So 1.5 hour is 90 minutes. So here you have your 90 minutes plus 25 minutes plus 5 minutes. So altogether, we are having 120 minutes altogether. 120 minutes altogether. Send it down. Now, coming back to the formula. Average speed is equal to distance over time. Our distance is measured in kilometer, which is this kilometer. And the time is measured in hour, not in minutes. It's measured in hour, not in minutes. So we have to change this 120 minutes to hour. How do you convert this 120 minutes to hour? Very simple. What should we do? Now, to convert it to hour, it becomes 2 hours because 60 minutes makes 1 hour. If 60 minutes makes 1 hour, 60 plus 60, which is 120. So you have 120 hours is equal to 2 hours. Remember, you have 120 minutes here. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. If 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, another 60 added, making it 120 to give us 2 hours. So changing this 120 minutes to hour is equal to 2 hours. So we have 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. Straight it down. Now, writing the same formula, average speed, which is equal to distance over time. Now, our distance now is 81 kilometer over the time, which is in 2 hours. We have 2 hours. Now, let's divide this. We have 81 divided by 2. How do we divide it? 1 divided by 2. We use our long division, the method. Say 2 into this is 4. 4 into this is 8. We subtract, giving us 0. Now 2 into 0 give us 0. 0 times this is 0, give us the same. 0 minus this is out. So we bring down our 1. 2 into 1, it cannot go. What we do? Add our decimal and put 0 here. So 2 into 10 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Our 0. So that means 81 divided by 2 will give us 40.5 kilometer per hour. So 40.5 kilometer per hour is the average speed for the whole journey. Thank you.